Hi friends, welcome to Gyan Vigyan Foundation's Iyer Academy, and you are watching my YouTube channel Gyan Vigyan Foundation. So friends, today in this video we shall try to understand one another topic in physics. Now let us try to understand the next term, that is about the average velocity. The average velocity is defined as the displacement of the given object during the time interval over which average velocity is calculated and divided by that time interval. As the displacement is a vector quantity, the velocity is also a vector quantity. Its dimensions are L to the power 1, m to the power 0 and t to the power minus 1. If the position vectors of the object are x1 and x2 at times t1 and t2 respectively, then the average velocity is given by the formula V average is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. For example, if the position of an object is x is equal to 2 meters and x is equal to plus 4 meters at times equal to 1 minute respectively of its average velocity during that time. Small t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1 minute respectively. The magnitude of the average velocity during that time will now be equal to 4 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 0, which is equal to 2 meter per minute, and its direction will be along the positive x-axis. Now let us try to understand the average speed. Average speed is defined as the total path length traveled during the time interval over which average speed is being calculated and divided by that time interval. Therefore, the average speed is equal to average velocity is equal to path length divided by time interval. It is a scalar quantity and has the same dimension as that of velocity. If the rectilinear motion of the object is only in one direction along a line, then the magnitude of its displacement will be equal to the distance traveled, and so the magnitude of average velocity will also be equal to the average speed. However, if the given object reverses its direction, then the magnitude of displacement will be smaller than the path length and average speed will be larger than the magnitude of average velocity. Now, let us try to understand the next term, that is about the projectile motion. In this case, if any object in flight after being thrown with some velocity is called as a projectile and its motion is called as a projectile motion in our day-to-day life. For example, if a child throws stones towards a mango tree for getting mangoes, a bowler bowls a ball towards a batsman in cricket. A basketball player throws a ball towards the basket. All these are the examples of projectile motion. In this motion, we have an object that is called as projectiles with given initial velocity, moving under the influence of the Earth's gravitational field. The projectile has two components of velocity. That is, one of them is along the horizontal axis direction and the another one is in the vertical y-axis direction. The acceleration due to gravity acts only along the vertical downward direction. The horizontal component of the velocity remains unchanged as no force is acting in the horizontal direction, while the vertical component changes in accordance with the laws of motion. So guys, by now you might have understood my subtopic in physics. So if you have understood my subtopic in physics, then please like, comment and subscribe my channel.